Joe's collection contains US, Indian, and British stamps. If the ratio of US to Indian stamps is 5:2, and the ratio of Indian to British stamps is 5:1, what is the ratio of US to British stamps? So choices are 5:1, 10:5, 15:2, 20:2, and 25:2. Okay, so let's solve this. The given is if the ratio of US to Indian stamps is 5:2. So let's write the ratio US. So let's just write U for US and then Indian. Okay? US to Indian, the ratio is 5:2. And then the ratio of Indian to British. So Indian to British is 5:1. So let's write 5:1, 5 in for the Indian and then 1 for the British. So we want to find what is the ratio of US to British. US to British. Okay, so common mistake for this is the answer is US to British. Common mistake is 5:1. Okay, so that's wrong. 5:1, this is wrong. To find the ratio of US to British, we need to make the Indian same number. So we have, for Indian, we have US to Indian is 5:2 and then Indian to British is 5:1. So we want the number on this column Indian to be same number. So to do that, we will multiply the first ratio US to Indian. We will multiply both these numbers 2 by 5. And then for the second row, we will multiply this number 5:1 by 2. Okay, so for the first row, multiply by 5. And then for the second row, we multiply this by 2 so that the numbers in the Indian column will be equal. Okay, so this will be now the answer. 5 multiply to 5, we have 25. And then 2 multiply by 5, we have 2 times 5, we have 10. And then for this 5:1, we multiply this 5. 5 multiply to 2, we have 10. And then 1 multiply to 2, we have 1 times 2, we have 2. So therefore, the ratio now of US to British, since they are not equal, the Indians are now equal, they are both 10, and then the ratio of US to British is now 25:2, which is letter E. Follow for more.